say you have a flow where you upload training materials, or you upload company documentation, or you upload cute pictures of pets. That will all live in this knowledge center. This is kind of like a file manager for you all. So if you have, let's say, Pets of Assembly is a great one. All pictures that have ever been shared in our Pets of Assembly live here, which is really cool. So we have a lot of people with pets on our team, and this used to be something that we had in Slack, and we moved it fully to Assembly. And so people just post their cute pets whenever there's something cute to share. And if you want to see them all in one place, you can do it here. On a more potentially serious note, even though pets are pretty serious, say you have like a learning and development flow that you want to contribute videos or PDFs or docs, you can add them all into that flow, and then you can filter it by here. So I don't know if we have that one per se, but let's say we have, oh, we got rid of our wiki. But if you have like a company wiki, or actually weekly demos is a great one for us. So we have a weekly demo. It's an asynchronous demo flow that we have. This is like one of our most popular flows. So anytime an engineer is working on something, or product design, we share Loom videos, and you can find all of those right here in your knowledge center. So it's really however you want to use it. How you put things in the knowledge center is by answering the flow, adding those materials into the flow post. This helps you like very cleanly and concisely organize it into folders or into like shared in. Instead of it being a free-for-all without anything being organized, you add it to your flow, and then it shows up here and it's organized. You can see who posted it, you can see the file type, and you can see the flow that it has been demoed in, and you can filter by the dates. So a really cool thing that is available to everybody in Assembly. And it's just a great way to track assets that are shared, instead of kind of having to dig through Slack, or having to dig through all of the posts and see like who attached what when. We what's the word? Curate them here for you. And that essentially is like the core pieces of Assembly, all the different things that you can do with it. You can do all of this for yourself. You can do all of this for a team or a department, or you can do all of this for an entire company. It's incredibly flexible. And it's just a really great way to bring, I mean, you can see here, all of these flows that we have. Some are used on a daily basis, some are used on a quarterly basis, some are used on demand. It's a great way for you to just stop using like 30 different tools for, you know, to accomplish each of these individual things, and bring them all into one place, on top of the ability to recognize and reward everybody in your company, and, you know, keep track of that over time.